Well, good morning, guys. We're going to keep ripping and tearing today on the floor joists in the crawl space for the house, getting those out of there. And so I'll just show you a little bit of what that's looking like, what stage that's at. And I think I'm going to let Weston today tell us what he's thankful for, because he's got something later on in the video. So when we took the bathroom apart, we got a lot of nice 2x4s that we saved. They were like 8 foot, 7 foot, different ones. But they are the nice old growth. Look at the rings on that. All the rings compared to nowadays 2x4s. These are from the late 60s, I think, and they're all really solid, really nice boards. So the boys took some of the nails out of these ones, but there's quite a few with nails in them, but we're going to save them for future projects. The boys want to maybe do a tree house down the road, and maybe we'll use them for projects around the farm. All right, so we got the floor torn out of here, and the floor joist and everything. So that was the last of it in this section. We're going to leave that section. I think I mentioned that before for right now because of that wall sitting on the other side of that block wall there. So this is the deep end of this part of the crawl space. I think that was the only way to access it right there, was through that hole into the deeper part of the crawl space, all the way over here to this shallow part. I caught up with Weston today. He's got something he's thankful for. Weston, what is it?
Homemade ice cream.
Homemade ice cream? Oh my goodness. You know what's good, don't you? What's your favorite flavor?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? That is the best, isn't it? Okay, good job, buddy. Alright, so finished out the day getting this meter base set. I had pre-built this, and then this is where I dug in the electric line earlier. But yeah, so I got this all set down in here, down in the ditch. And then I got it braced pretty well. I did these triangle braces, so that really helps to keep the bottoms in place, because of with the ditch right there, I had to try to get it as close to the stake that they put in as I could. So I got this one staked this way because of the way the ditch runs. But yeah, so that's really good to get that run in. This is for the line coming in, the 2.5 inch, and this is for the 100 amp service going to the implement shed for now. So yeah, that's the update for today. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.